Today we are looking at converting mass, and I'm going to show you how to do this using a conversion chart. Before we begin though, it's good to know that there are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram, there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram, and there is 1,000 kilograms in 1 tonne. You can probably notice that by looking at the conversion chart on your left. Now today we're looking at milligrams, grams and kilograms. And you can notice that you either multiply by 1,000 or you divide by 1,000. We're going to show you how to use this chart doing the questions below. But here is a key. If you were starting with a smaller unit and you were going to a larger unit, you will be dividing. But if you are going from a bigger unit of mass to a smaller unit, you are multiplying. That might help you know whether you're multiplying or dividing by 1,000. So let's go through some examples together. We have 20,000 grams and we want to go to milligrams and then we want to go to kilograms. So if we're going from grams to milligrams, we're starting with 20,000 grams and we want to convert it to milligrams. If we look at the chart above, grams to milligrams is actually multiplying by 1,000. Or adding 3 zeros. We've got 20,000 adding 3 zeros, because that's what happens when we multiply by 1,000. However, if we're going from 20,000 grams into kilograms, we're going from a smaller to a bigger unit, and we are essentially dividing by 1,000 using the chart above. Because we're dividing by 1,000, we're actually taking off 3 zeros. So we are either taking off 3 zeros or adding 3 zeros, depending on the direction. So this is the working out that you could provide, but I'm just going to use the chart. So I have 0.6 kilos, and I go to the top, and I'm going from kilos to grams. To go from kilos to grams, I need to multiply it by 1,000. So 0.6 multiplied by 1,000 into grams is we have our 0.6 and we need to do 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3, which is now 600 grams. And I'm doing all of this using the chart. So now I have 600 grams and I want to take that to milligrams. Using the chart above, grams to milligrams, add 3 zeros. We have 600,000 milligrams. And I'm going to go through doing the rest of the chart, but I might leave the working out. 750 million milligrams. Milligrams to grams divided by 1,000, take off 3 zeros. So that would be 750,000 grams. Again, using the chart, grams to kilograms, again another 1,000. 1, 2, 3. 750 kilograms. Now we're going from kilograms to grams is times by 1,000. 1 and 2 more jumps, which is 8,200 grams. And then we're going from grams to milligrams, which is adding another 3 zeros. 1,340,600 grams to kilos is divided by 1,000, which is 1,340.6 kilograms. 1, 2, 3. And then to get that to milligrams is we know we need to add 3 zeros. We have 1,340,600 milligrams. So that is how you convert mass using the converting chart above. take note of where you're starting and then in what direction you're going to make sure that you are using the correct operations. Thank you.